Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am currently live with Choob. This is in fact the real Choob. He is live right now. I'm not.
Absolutely, you should join me.
Also, you guys should also join his Discord, which I think is pretty much.
Discord. I've been grounded.
How do you not know Choob has a Discord? This man has a Discord.
I've been grounded from Discord for a year.
Oh, give me a hug.
Bro, what did you do?
Yeah, what did you do? So Choob,
Hey, y'all, smack
Choob
Choob.
speedrun music be like.
How long will you be live streaming for? I have no clue. Probably until Choob hits 1,000, or me and him do some like speedrun live or something.
Bro, you
Choob, after you hit 1,000, Choob, you want to do a speedrun?
Bad pig.
Do some speedrun for subscribers. I think you disconnected.
I'm gonna put on bad piggies right now.
Yo,
Oh my gosh, I'm.
Can
so
you
Choob.
quickly put
Oh my god.
What the frick? Pum pum da 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 ta 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 ta.
Why am I so tall? For what? Why
What
can't
the
I tag
heck?
you?
Wait, are you already tagged?
How can I not tag you, bro? Alright, guys. Alright.
You wait.
We're switching. Alright, I'm so sorry. The game. Why can I not tag you, bro? Alright, I'm gonna restart.
Okay.
Bro, I got tricked for a second.
What's the new code gonna be?
Oh God, what just happened?
Wait, does it fix? It probably fix your end.
Bro, new code? Bro, we're staying here.
Okay, hold up. Choob 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 choob. I'm waiting for Choob. Right now at the moment I'm waiting for Choob. I don't know if he wants me to join since I already did. Choob, if you're watching this, I didn't and I joined and you didn't want me to join. I'm sorry, I didn't know you didn't want me to join. Forgive me, Choob. Forgive me. My arms, but still, if you don't subscribe, sleep with one eye open tonight. Choose this side to sleep with. Bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum bum. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Choobies.
Oh, hell.
Is Gabe in here? Is Gabe in here? Is Gabe in here?
Oh, Mr. Choobies.
Dun 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 dun. Choob, speedrun music, help me. Dun 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 dun. I'm mad at you so hard.
You're anxious, don't do that. Alright.
Where's Choob?
What you doing, chat? Oh,
Choob?
what's up, Bill? I followed you on YouTube. Thank you.
Choob, bro.
Oh, Choob.
Live stream for like 4 hours today.
Choob, you're not gonna get me, no matter how fast you are.
Last time when you streamed, I couldn't join the code. Yes, Cookie?
Where's Choob?
I don't know. Here, I'm
Probably not an entity.
You're back. Get away from me.
Yeah, I'm not an entity. Oh. Got him. Fuck you.
You and your mom.
I can't be saying this shit.
Alright, Alright, we're back to normal.
Choob, where are you?
Yeah. Yes. PS2 graphics. Yep.
Me at the holes, Choob. Choob, me at the holes.
Yeah, me on VR and my name is Rainbow. Even the audio.
You guys are never gonna tag me.
This is only my first stream. Even the audio cooking. Hey, wait, hey, bro. I can hear my stream from somebody's mic. Hey, bro, can I do like a what do you call it, speed run for you?
I wanted to join to say hi. I'm gonna go and leave now, but I'm gonna go and record a
I'm right now
video.
listening to
You have
Choob.
fun. But yeah, give me a kiss before I leave.
I'm still alive.
Oh, guys,
Azul's here. Speedrunner boy. Yeah, what's up? Right.
Guys, do you want me to show myself? Do you want me to come out and show myself?
Hold up. Yes, you can, Brandon. Should I join? Yes. Oh, I'm good. Stop screaming. Thank you.
You straight up scared me. Oh my god. That's straight up. Oh. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Oh my god. I'm still alive. I think I just told you. I'm still alive. Run!
Oh, get back here. Gotcha.
Damn it. I can't get anything.
Ben?
Oh my gosh!
Ben turn.
Oh, I'm stuck.
No, that's not Ben 10, that's Steven 9.
So yeah, game full, so you can't join anymore.
That's not Ben 10, that's Steven 9.
Hey bro. So not even the NCSR server did that too.
Choob, I have to ask Tell him.
I don't know, I think he left. Yeah, he left.
No, he's here.
Unless he's new text.
That's what it shows on mine.
Follow me, guys, if you want to. I'm the guy raising his hand.
What the hell? What's he doing?
Let me see. Over here somewhere. Don't know where the hell he is. What is he? I need to tell him. I also need to tell him something.
Oh, he's here. He's somewhere. Just help with the ground.
Yo,
Where y'all
Choob, is
at?
that
I
you?
can't even
Where is
find
he?
him. Oh, big boy. Oh, Choob, what's up?
Choob!
What's up?
Choob.
I think he's changing code.
No, Choob is turned to. Wait, Choob is...
No, my favorite YouTuber.
He's just
oh my
doing
God.
something. That's what his motto is.
I
Said.
say right creek. I say
He's
right
obviously awake.
creek.
Choob,
Is he changing code?
is this your speedrun music?
I recommend
Hey,
running.
buddy, tell me
Wait,
if
Ben?
you're changing code
Wait, Ben,
or not.
are you Ohio? You're Ohio?
Tell me if
Choob.
you're changing code.
Oh,
He left. I got.
oh, Choob's still here.
Oh, dang it.
Choob,
Bro, is he?
someone go to, guys, go to the YouTube channel. I think he might be having a mental stroke.
He's right here.
Shut up, Brett.
Then I came from.
What
and I want to know where
happened?
everybody came from, and then I
Oh.
will solve this equation.
I thought you had a medical stroke.
Watch this. Watch this.
I thought you had a medical stroke.
I am gonna do a poll. A medical stroke. What other
Oh my
stroke would you
gosh!
have?
Choob! Choob, are you having a medical help! Someone help this man! He's having a medical stroke.
Honestly, I just can't get off the
Thank you.
Move out the way. Move out the way.
Okay.
I can plastic surgery this thing.
Plastic surgery?
Don't
Choob.
mess this shit up.
Wait, someone check his
Give
YouTube.
him a
I think we
BBL.
lost him,
Give him a
Mark.
BBL. Give him a BBL. Give him a BBC.
Oh,
He messed up. Don't trust that guy.
oh my God.
Hold up, I'm checking Choob's YouTube channel. I think he
Choob is
just died.
Oh my God.
Switch
I
to
uploaded
normal
that
mode,
90
yes.
run. 9% of one.
He's switching to normal mode.
Oh, he's changing codes.
Nate?
No, he's here.
Gameplay.
I thought you were doing normal mode.
Yo, Choob! I need
He's
to tell you
changing-
something. Choob.
Well, Choob is Choob, if you're watching this, not gonna lie, Choob, I actually saw you were having a stroke. Cause that had the look of someone having a mental stroke. Okay, what's wrong with my hand? Just snaps my hand back in place. Okay, level 0. Next, join. Aww. Oh, frick. Yeah, boy. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, I'm ready to type. Press. 5, 4. 869. Go, 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 go. No! It's full. Wait, what? Wait. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't.